Namaste. I am doing a course on HarvardX about Hinduism through its scriptures. And as a part of my assignment, I have to record a video explaining Hinduism. The actual name of Hinduism is Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan means eternal, and Dharma stands for a duty and righteousness to be followed throughout one's life. The Sanatan Dharma indicates eternal way of life. Distinctive feature of this religion is that it has not been founded by a specific person at specific point of time. Instead, it is a movement which has been flourishing for 4000 years with immense contribution from its practitioners. It represents a value system with spiritual freedom at its core. Vedas, the foundational scriptures of this religion, were written by numerous sages who were able to hear the spiritual knowledge and laws created by divine itself. As the foundation of this religion has a divine inspiration, it is also referred as a Paurushiya, something which is not created by humans. Vedas are focused on rituals for the well-being of this world, while Upanishads, the later part of the Vedas, discuss about the inner search for the ultimate. These scriptures are known as Shruti, heard sacred literature. As the time progressed, the movement continued to thrive with composition of greatest epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata and various scriptures such as Puranas and Dharma Shastras. Unlike Shruti literature, each of the scripture is attributed to a single author and they are classified as Smriti, remembered sacred literature. They added different dimension to this religion, introduced various philosophies and influenced culture and religious practices. Bhagavad Gita, which is a part of Mahabharata, established three paths for followers: path of knowledge, path of devotion, and path of action. Whereas Puranas reshaped the Hindu pantheon, they are seen as a basis of numerous sects associated with various deities. Also, Hindu festivals have mythological stories from Puranas linked to them, which carries a guiding lesson along with a special ritual for that day. Considering the agrarian calendar, there is a major festival placed at the dawn of every season. These festivals are perfect conglomeration of nature, culture, traditions, and they are important means of social gatherings since there is no practice of common prayer in Hinduism. With the course of time, Sanatan Dharma has evolved as an umbrella term, embracing this variety of traditions and philosophies with scriptures at its core. We believe that Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahuda Vadanti, that means truth is one, and wise people perceive it differently. Here, the truth is Brahman, the supreme divine power and ultimate reality of all the existence. There are various deities to worship, such as Vishnu, Shiva, Rama, Krishna, Devi, and there are various paths of worshipping, various practices of worshipping, but they all lead to the worship of Brahman. And human spiritual goal is to realize one's innermost self, which is identical with Brahman, and then one can achieve the state of moksha, that is freedom from from the cycle of life and death. As I conclude this video, I would like to mention a very important point, that we believe that the universe itself is a manifestation of Brahman and a divine spark pervades in everything that exists. Hence, there is inner unity of all the existence because of the divine essence present among us. In current world where religion continues to influence people's moral choices and sense of identity, one should be able to recognize the divinity in everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Dhanyavad.